Take 47. We're keeping this one no matter what. This geocache was originally hidden by Gary Jones, known by his geocaching name Bert Gummer. It is located next to Turkey Creek in the former mining town of Dandria, Arizona. Old mines dot the surrounding hills, and there are large clearings where home sites or camps used to be. In 2007, Gary and his wife Janet moved to Prescott, Arizona. Gary passed away February 14, 2018. He was 70. Gary was passionate about hunting for lonely geocaches and first to finds. His final first to find count was 1,154.